experience is not just about getting dressed up in clothes and going out and performing in front of the public. There's a terrific amount of research that goes behind it, and you can see on the table beside me just the collection from one of the members of the group that they've brought along to this training weekend just to help us with our research. And the selection here is quite vast, and it starts at this end, the original texts. So this is words as they were written, and we can see here there's a copy of Herodotus' Histories here, which gives us a lot of insight but not a lot of detail. So for detail, what we look for is archaeological text, and there's a really good example here in terms of the Scythian races. This is the frozen tombs of Siberia, and within here it will give lots of illustrations of pieces that have been found in tombs, and these give us the basis for recreation. Moving along, it's not just us that recreate or us that explore as well. It's done on a much bigger scale. It's a very good example of a big reconstructive archaeological project here, which is to do with the Olympias trireme, a project that was done a few years ago. And this particular text is crammed full of technical detail. And I'll just open a sample page here, and you can see an illustration of how the planks in the side of the ships were fastened together, something that we as a group have also experimented with and tried out. There are also academic texts, so here's an example of somebody's thesis that they were done for their research. We can see examples of commercial texts here, and this is one of the Osprey series, quite a famous series. The interesting thing about this is as you look through the illustrations on here, you can see images, and that shield is one of them, that have been drawn from Hoplite Association events and website pictures. And we know these designs are ours because we're the ones who created them. And vast range, and I can bring you to a final text here. There's a very nice book here on soldiers through the ages. It's a rather expensive text by Dorling Kindersley. And if we open it at the very beginning, we can find illustrations of ancient Greece or ancient Greek fighting style. And every item you'll see on that page was supplied by the Hoplite Association for this text.